The Tailor and the Elephant. A tailor ran a shop in a town. He was a good natured, jolly fellow. A man in the town had a pet elephant. The elephant went drinking at a pool out of the town daily. It passed by the tailor's shop. The tailor gave him a bun every day. In course of time they became good friends and were well pleased to meet each other. The tailor always waited for the elephant to come to him, and the elephant was also there at the usual time. One day the tailor had a dispute with one of his customers. He was feeling unhappy and cross. Meanwhile, the elephant arrived and put his trunk into his shop through the window to receive the friendly bun as usual. The tailor, instead of giving a bun, pricked its trunk with a needle. The elephant felt hurt at this but silently went his way to drink. The elephant quenched his thirst and then filled his trunk with dirty, muddy water. It came back quickly, put its trunk in and emptied it. The whole of the shop looked as if plastered with mud. All the fancy dresses and rich wedding robes were mud stained and badly spoiled. The tailor was overwhelmed with sorrow, but it was too late. Moral: it is well said, look before you leap.